Okay, so the issue we are having is every time we try to install this software, it shows us an error that says the srclient.dll file is missing from its directory. Okay, and that file is, let me get this up for you here. The srclient.dll is a Windows issue. This is part of the Microsoft Windows System Restore Client Library file. So it's not a part of the software that we're trying to install. It is part of the Windows system. And I have found the fix for it. And here's the fix, except I did all the way down to here, these 4 steps here, and I'll just go ahead and show you these. We've walked through all of these steps and ran all of the commands until we get to here, and I'll show you this. I'll illustrate this to you in just a minute. I can get to the WMI control, but I can't get to properties and can't get to advanced. So first, let me show you the error. So we're going to install System Mechanic, and you can read up on System Mechanic as to what it is. It's a computer cleanup program. So we're going to download it from here, and this is we don't have a corrupt. We've eliminated the probability that this is a corrupt file because this is the 10th one I've downloaded. So we're going to go ahead and install this. Okay, this is the error we get every time. All right, the program can't start because srclient.dll is missing from your computer. I don't think it's missing. I think it's here, but I think it's, you guys have it protected somehow so that us users can't get to it and the software can't get to it. So I'm going to click OK, and then it just comes back again, and then the toolkit has stopped working. So we do this and nothing. Let's try to find a solution online. We'll see what this says, and nothing comes up. So we'll view the problem details, and it's just app crash. Okay, and the fault module name is srclient.dll. Okay, I'm going to leave this up for you, and I'm just going to minimize it there. So, and now we will look at, we'll go back to, this is the company that owns the System Mechanic, and it says this product will not update or launch after installation, and it says we found 2 issues that occur within Microsoft Windows that affect our family of System Mechanic products from properly starting. So this is definitely a Windows issue. So I have gone through step 1, I've gone through step 2, I've gone through step 3, and when I got to step 4, this is what it says: navigate to Windows Control Panel, Administrative Tools, Computer Management, Services and Apps, and right click on WMI Control for Properties and Advanced tab. Now the problem is I can get to WMI Control to right click on it, but there's no properties and there's no tab, advanced tab. All right, and I'm going to illustrate that for you right now. And you can see we are at Administrative Tools, Computer Management, all right, Services and Applications, WMI Control, and we right click, and there's no, all we get is help. We don't get properties, we don't get the advanced tab. So I come over here and we are in WMI Control, and I'm going to right click it there, nothing happens, and I push more actions and all it gets is the help. I need to access the properties tab and the advanced, or the properties folder and then the advanced tab in order to get this fixed. So this is definitely a Windows issue, and where I need to go to fix this is not available to me. I know it will be available to you guys. So I'm going to put this link here in the browser so you can have a read. Just open that up right there and place it in. So once you guys are logged in, you can have a read here and go through these if you like. I've already gone through them. The only one that I can't complete is step number 4, and that's where I need your help. I appreciate your time and anything you can do to help us, because we've been having trouble with this particular server for 5 weeks, and I can't afford to keep going. So if you guys can help me fix it, I'd greatly appreciate it. If not, I'm going to have to move to a different provider, because we can't complete the work for our clients, and we just can't allow this to go on any longer. Thanks for your help.